falls, rain drifts on the small old street. Raindrops fall like the tears inside my heart. The day you left, not a word was spoken. Only me, watching your shadow fade. All our love washed away with a storm. I'm still walking through this life alone. Memories in the rain never fade away, calling your name where the cold winds play. Raindrops fall, breaking my heart in two. I'm still waiting, though you're gone from view. Same old road, rain keeps the same old beat. Every song I sing belongs to you. Lonely nights, my soul feels frozen, missing your lips, the first kiss we knew. All these years I still can't forget. Your shadow stays, it never left. Memories in the rain never fade away, calling your name where the cold winds play. Raindrops fall, breaking my heart in two. I'm still waiting, though you're gone from view. The rain keeps falling deep inside my soul. The pain remains, it won't let go. I call your name into the night, but only the rain replies. Memories in the rain, I still hold tight, though the years drift on and fade from sight. Once I loved, and now I bear the scars. I smile again with the falling stars.